Hello guys, today we've installed an Android head unit in a Mercedes GLA. That's the Mercedes GLA, brand new Mercedes GLA, a fully Android head unit which we have installed. Superb touch. Again, you got a YouTube, navigation, Spotify, all the options in which can entertain you. It's got a Play Store inbuilt. The best part of all these Android players is that you can always have your original Mercedes vehicle settings, all the company factory settings, all settings available. All the settings would work. All the car settings would work. No check light. As you can see over here, there are 0 check lights. There are 0 errors. That's all the settings over here. Also, this has got an inbuilt Apple CarPlay option. The rest of the things are very simple. It's got YouTube, Maps, Google Maps. You can download anything of your kind you want from the Play Store. It's got a Wi-Fi. And now I'm going to show you something really nice and new, in which we've installed a 360-degree bird view camera in this. So yes, that's the 360 bird view camera which we have installed. So now if I take the car in reverse, it moves. Also, if I move the steering wheel, you can see the line bars moving. Now if I take the car in the front mode, you'll be able to see the front camera. As you can see, people moving ahead over there. So in this part of the view, you will be able to see the car. In this part, you'll be able to see what the actual thing is behind. Now if I give the left indicator, now if I show you, that's the left side indicator, you'll be able to see the left side tire, which I'm just turning. If I give the right indicator, you'll be able to see the right side tire. So that's how the 360 bird view camera is being seen. Also, we have got a new feature. This is a remote over here. In case I want to drive the car and see the front camera, I just switch it on. I am able to access my front view. If I want the back camera, I just press the back button. I can see the back view. If I press the left side, I will be able to see the left view as well. And now if I press the right side, I will be able to see the right view as well. Also, this new camera has a Sony fisheye lens view. So in case I want to see a fisheye view, I'll be able to see that. Now I can just show you. That's the view. So this has got all the 4 views in fisheye view. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.